Hey, welcome back. Guess what? We're gonna open up another
Redbird Vintage Box.
I can't sing. I don't even know why I tried that, but we did it anyway. So, we're gonna open this up. This is our April box. It's the Lorain box. This is the $100 a month subscription box, but they have other boxes like the Marie and a teacup and a scarf and a men's section and even one for kids. We're gonna get her open, and to open her, we're gonna use eagle knife because my Gerber is in the garage and this one
Slices well.
So let's open her up. I am excited. I have 2 add-ons. I have some requests. I try to keep my requests kind of minimum. They're very specific. Very specific. And I really hope they are in this box. Let's open her up and see what we get. All right. And we open it. Yes, we sliced. And, all in my face. We're gonna open her. Of course, my card just fell on the floor. And Mia, thanks for your purchase. We hope you enjoy what we styled for you this month. Sarah and Karen, ladies. And, oh, I found my flare. It's in the corner. It fell. Oh, ooh. Okay. Let's get you off of here. Okay, oh my God, this is gorgeous. And this is so spring. That's my flare piece. It's a little basket with flowers. And honestly, I've seen little things like this on their site and I want them. And I'm glad to have this to my collection because I don't have anything like it. Looks like it's missing a couple jewels, but honestly, it's so sparkly, I don't think you would even notice. We're gonna move the box because I'm clumsy. Oh, we are playing with the remote and changing up temperature. Okay. Hey, that's good lighting, I guess. All right, we're gonna keep her. So here is one of my add-ons. Okay, okay. So one of my add-ons I picked up was this little red purse. It's suede. She's super 80s. Super love her. She's nice and bright. Yes. Oh, she smells vintage. You know, when they have that someone's closet forever, she will be used. And the other add-on, I did have another add-on to pick up said bundle. Wow, this kind of got tousled around. It's all right. Mail system. You got precious cargo at hand. You're very better. All right, so we have our bundle. Or not our bundle. This is the jewelry pouch. The jewelry pouch. The pouch of one's mystery that we will unveil one piece of jewelry at a time. All right, so we are going in. And here's the first thing I picked. We got, ooh. Oh, okay. So they had like this little $7 jewelry. That's cool that was the first thing that I picked. This is my other add-on jewelry. And you can kind of see the picture and you're like, I don't really see, but I'm going to show you what really caught my eye. But now that I'm really looking at this, wow. Okay, so the first thing that, I actually have a ring like that from QVC. That's hilarious. I'm going to have to bleep that part. But were these, oh, they're little, are you clip-ons? They're rubbery and they're cute. Somebody, clip-on? Yes. I'm going to go with an earring. I'm going to go with earrings. And what else are we in here? Ooh, there's some goodies. A little blue post back. Those are cute too. All right. Okay, little mystery gift bundle that you could see. And I got a nice link bracelet. Let's see, can we read? Ooh, it's that Monette. Come on, Net. Ah! But it's this. I know you're not going to see this. But let's see. Will you focus, iPhone? Can I hold? No. That's not going to work. But I'll put in what it is. That alone. This piece of like signed. Ooh. And it's links. They're kind of a classic, timeless. You know when you need your gold, girl. And we also got, yes. Okay, these are super cute. And these little guitar earrings. I'm gonna wear these at Viva. Yes, Viva. And what is this? Oh, it's a screw back. So it's a set of earrings. I like this little add-on bundle. Hello, cutie add-on bundle. So these are some screw backs. They're a little sparkly number. Sparkly 1, 2. And then we also grabbed, and there we have a nice ring. I think I got one of these from like HSN. I'm not saying that's where it's from, but I mean, they are in Florida, girl. They are in HSN QVC. And we also got this little, it's a little broken, but I can do something with that and put a little high in it. And and I think it's a locket. She's a pinky ring girl. Let's see if we put her on this finger. Nope. Yep. She's going to be pinkyable. It's not that it's small. It's just I got large hands. Okay, so we got actually, okay, so now let's get back into what they curated for me and some requests. Well, here at the top, and I can kind of see through. I can't see through, but it's orange. And it's shimmery. I know, you're getting all washed out. That's gorgeous. Let's see. Let's jazz it up a little. Look, Hook, I'm gonna need you to work with me. Yes. Yes. We rocking and rolling. Okay. Next item. Oh my God. Ooh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We going somewhere, and she is going to be present. Look at that. That. Okay. Yes. Let's put you on too, girl. Listen, jumpsuit, don't fail me. Please hold the weight. This thing is weighty. I would assume that this would probably go on like your coat, because it is weighty. Yes. Yes. We are the Orange Queen Diva today. I feel like I need to see the queen. Oh, the queen. Her man. I'd be sad too, girl. But he going out in a custom Land Rover. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, I just be getting lost what we're doing. Okay, so now we have some pieces. I have one in my hand. And they are some, ooh, I feel like, so this isn't like a sign, but it's definitely a theme, girl. We have themes. Sorry, Hillarys. We got some new divas to throw on right now. But let me get her out of the packaging. These are pretty. These are some clip-ons. Yes. Let's throw her on. Clip. My husband's going to come home like, where you going? I'm like, psst, upstairs, I guess. Yes. I feel like, we're going to get this together, ladies. We are going to. Okay. We still have some other pieces. Okay, so it's a requested item. Okay, so back in February, I asked the ladies for like maybe a Black History Month box, and they're like, what does that mean? I was like, girl, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out. So I saw these on their page, and they are my other obsession. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I thought they might have been. Okay. Here, let me show you. Slipping. Here we go. Ta-da! I saw those and I was like, that is gorgeous. Those, and I believe you pin them. So they're pins. I thought they were sweater clips. Unless they're still technically sweater clips. You know, where's my people that know this? Let me know. Or do I just pin them on one? Oh, I see. She gets pinned to one side like so, and maybe could stagger, have a little chain moment. But that is, stay up to me. All right, so we got one more to go in this, and then we will get to our clothing bundle, and our last one is another request. And woo! Okay. If he was he, you should see her. And these are clip-on earrings. Yes, divas. Look at them. They even got some big hoops, girl. They know what's up. That is freaking awesome. These are bigger than I thought they would be. And it's like, where did he go? Where did he go? And that's your lady. Like little. That's awesome. Wow. I'm going to do some definitely history on those because in all of my, you know what I mean? Like you run across things, you're like, oh, I've never seen that before. But I've never seen that before. I mean, I think that finding ethnic jewelry that depict people from other places it's hard to find. And that somebody had them and kept them and they didn't get destroyed, I mean, is beyond me. And I am happy to add them to my collection where they will stay, they will be cherished, they will be loved, they will be worn. Yes. Okay, so let's get into this clothing bundle, which kind of came in two things. But so the first thing that came with the purse that I had bought, or the little add-on purse. So we have what looks like a sweater. Ooh. Will you be too hot for that? Some little high-waisted pants. I don't know what we'll do with her. She's a nice sweater. She's orange. Peachy. That nice peachy. Oh, God. I'm ready for spring, darling. Spring. Okay, so I have two more items. Do I want to go with this one or that one? This one or that? Well, I mean, technically it's on top, but so we gonna go with her. So I think she's a dress and she's bright. Ooh, look at you. Look at the pattern. That is cute. Okay, I feel you. Oh, ooh. The heels, but you know, you only throw the heels on. Oh, yes. Just a little pleating. detail. And what else? So we have something else, and that's it. The last thing we got is, what are you? Oh, I think this might be another request. It's sheer. Oh, I have to get I have to get a slip. Do you ever remember going to church with your grandma and you had to put your slips on? And you didn't even know why you was putting on these slips. And it still has a tag on it. She's an 18C, which is, yeah, probably. Probably. And this beading detail. I am lost for era. And she's see-through. You can see all the way through her. Ooh. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Well, as I'm sitting here looking fabulous, darling, about to go to bed, I'm going to let you guys get along with the rest of your day or evening or binge watch at 3 a.m. I know I be binge watching you guys at 3 a.m. and I enjoy it. So, if you would like to get your hands on your own Lorain or Marie subscription and would like to save a little bit of money, you can use my code. All right, everybody. Well, in this pandemic, stay sane, people. Stay sane.